A strong layout often works because it creates movement without making the design feel busy. Today, how to design flowing frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start with a soft neutral background and add a subtle gradient for depth. Insert 3 rectangular frames and arrange them in a gentle vertical flow from top to bottom. Upload your images and place them into the frames, adjusting the crops carefully to maintain consistency. Increase the size of the center frame slightly so it becomes the focal point. Apply soft shadows to all frames and lower the intensity to keep the design clean. Add thin connecting lines between the